Hello guys, my name is Aftab and in this video we are going to install Redis server in our Ubuntu machine. So Redis is the open source in-memory database server which is using for caching purpose. So in our first step we need to update our Ubuntu repository. So just copy this command and execute on your terminal. So command is that sudo apt-get update. So it will be update your current repository of the Ubuntu, and after that we need to go ahead the second step. In this step we need to install the package Redis-server. So repository of the Redis is already available with your Ubuntu machine, so you don't need to add Redis repository separately. So Redis server is installed, and after that we need to check the status it is running or not by default. So we need to execute this command sudo systemctl status redis-server, so we can see that service is running. And after that we need to configure this redis with IP address. So before this we need to get the local IP address of this machine, so we need to type ifconfig. So we can see this is a IP address of the machine. So we need to open the config file. So I'm going to open using vim sudo vim etc redis and then redis.conf. And after that we need to come in network block. So this is a network block. Here we need to add our local IP address. So I need to copy the local IP address from here. So it's copy right now, and we need to paste here. So it will be work with localhost IP version 6 localhost and your machine IP address. And after that we need to kill the running process in Redis scenario. So I'm going to use kill command, kill -9, and then we need to type process ID 6155, enter, and after that we need to restart the Redis server just like this. And we need to check again what is the status of the service. So it is up and running, and after that we need to check ports it's working or not. So just copy this command. This is a net state command to verify the port. So we can see that our Redis is working and bind with IP address, machine's local IP address, localhost, and IP version 6. So it is good news for us. And after that, if we have enable firewall, UFW firewall, so you can use these two commands to open the firewall for make the connection outside the machine from the network. And after that we need to log in Redis cell. So we need to execute this command and then press enter. So here we need to type ping, so you will get reply pong. So your Redis installation has been successfully. And I hope you will like this video. Do not forget subscribe this channel, and I'm going to share this tutorial link in description. Thank you for watching.